got a few old emails here, and we're going to start by going to the View tab. We're going to stay on this simple compact view and just go about changing the look. If we look at the emails themselves, we've got the first row, and then underneath we have a preview of the message, and at the top we have the column headings. We want to change the font style for each of these three areas. Let's click on View Settings and then Other Settings. The column font is the one for our headings. Let's change that to black, size 14. The row font is the first line of each email. Let's change that to semi-bold, size 12. And then the font for the message preview, let's just change it to italic, size 10. Click OK, boom. Let's make a copy of this view. Click on the Change View button, save current view as, and let's give it a name. What I like to do is go back and reset the compact view. And we can toggle between the default view and our new custom view. And we can rearrange the order of our column headings. We can drag and drop to rearrange. We can also right-click to remove a column. And another option is if we choose Field Chooser. We can drag and drop the follow-up flag into our columns. If we go over and create a new email, we see that the default font remains unaffected. Let's customize that font now. Over to File, Options, click on Mail, click on Stationery and Fonts. We can add a bit of a background to our emails by selecting a theme. Notice that when we do that, the option for choosing a font is grayed out. The default font is determined by the theme itself. So with a theme applied, let's see what happens when we create a new email. And when we're using a theme, if we want to have more granular control over the font, let's go back to File and Options, back to the Mail tab, click on Stationery and Fonts. And on this first drop down, we're going to say always use my fonts. And we'll set our font for new emails to this. And we'll have replies and forwards as the same font, but we'll change the font color to this dark orangey color here. And let's give it a test. Create a new email. We see our new font and size. If we reply to an email, we should get our orangey font color. In our next video, we'll be looking at the default settings for our Outlook calendar. But for now, it is the end.